Welcome at the demonstration of the dyno that is used at Automotive. This time we have placed a brand new battery electrical vehicle on it. This BEV is the Opel Mokka. We also want to gather data from the vehicle itself. Therefore we have connected a laptop to the onboard system. Before we may start, we need to go through a lot of safety precautions. Each wheel hub is connected to a giant electromotor to measure torque and speed. The big cabinets contain the controllers for these e-motors. From the control room we can start the simulation and load a road profile. In this case we simulate a slight hill of 2% upwards. Before the measurement, we need to remove the fuse of the ABS system. Now we choose the parameters we want to get from the vehicle. We are interested in speed, current, voltage and torque. Then it is time to start driving, just like a normal car does. But now the big motor on the hub applies drag forces on the wheel hubs. We can exactly see how much power this costs. And we compare this with how much power we take from the battery. With this we can calculate the efficiency for every situation. But we can also measure how much energy is recovered when we slow down. This is also visible on the display in the vehicle itself. But we can measure it much more accurate. In this case the efficiency was near to 90%. And that is quite good because combustion engines are 35% at the best.